Okay, a friend of mine has a dent in his truck, and I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a pretty good sized dent. And I told him that I think I can get the dent out of his truck with one of these Harbor Freight suction cups. Anyway, I'm gonna just tell you, I've got a little hammer because there's a little bit of a crease there. I'm gonna stick this on, and I'm gonna see if this will work. And I'm going to try to do all of this under 3 minutes. Okay. There's another smaller suction cup that they've got. I didn't get it. And I'm going to try to spray a little bit of this on there. Anyway. Worst case scenario, I think I can get this better than it was. If I can get it to stick on there. Okay, there. Let's see. Maybe I need to wipe it off better. Okay. Wiped off. Get this to stick. Didn't stick very good. Wipe it off again. Wipe off that. This is all just one cut to see if I can get this dent out with a $5 Harbor Freight dent puller. Okay. Looks like I'm getting closer. If I could just get it to stick. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, it's already a lot better, right? It's just kind of stuck right there. Maybe if I had the little dent puller, it would work better. Or the little, I call it a dent puller, suction cup. If I can get it to stick, I could probably pull the dent out. Well, it's definitely better than it was. I brought this hammer. It's a dead blow hammer. But there's no real way to, without drilling a hole, to get into it easily. Of course, a professional could do much better. But I think